My brothers on the opposite will confirm that every of the district did receive support from my government. We never discriminate. We never discriminate. The member for Abao is able to open up schools in his district because we support him and supplied him with the fundings as a point of reference. And we will continue to supply so. If it has come.
Honorable Prime Minister, you got another point of order. Can I will point over the whole day now? Honorable Member Blabao, point of order.
Prime Minister always mentions about when he's upset on the floor.
Something happened, huh?
So something must have happened. But I can tell the Prime Minister that since we've been debating this matter, Abao has not received any funds yet. Thank you.
Honorable Prime Minister, you are in Honorable point of order, Honorable Member Blabao.